If you want to share your thread or someone's thread on the Instagram, all you have to do is just to find one that you want to share, then click on this button, and now from here click on the feed. Now you'll be moved into your Instagram account, and that's the preview how it looks. You can actually crop your photo, so basically pinch it with your 2 fingers. Let's say that I want to get it like this, and then click on this arrow in the right upper corner. From here, like on the Instagram, we can edit this photo and change some filters. When you click edit, you can actually adjust the position. There's also the brightness, contrast, structure, warmth, saturation, color, fade, highlights, shadows, vignette, tilt shift, and sharpen. If you finish, click done, and then tap on the right upper corner on the next. And now we can also write something right here. And also we can tag people or set the audience, so for close friends, for everyone, or go into the more advanced settings where you can hide like and the view counts on this post, turn off commenting, or share it to the post on the Facebook. Then click to share, and now when you open your profile, you can actually see that after a few seconds it will be on your profile. There we go. So as you can see, that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.